Hi, I'm Violaine. I'm going to show you how to export the absences in an Excel format. First, you need to go to the Payroll menu and select Pay Export for Absences. Use the filters at the top of the page to select the period, the status validated, and select the flag to be exported to be processed with accrual. You have displayed all the absences for the period selected and all the absences for the past not exported yet. Click on the Excel logo and download. Once you have done this export, you have to manually tag the data you have just exported. To do so, click on Actions, select all the data, and flag the data as exported processed. The data you have just tagged won't be showing as data to export next month. You have made your payroll process reliable. I hope you have found this video useful, and I wish you a very nice day with Eurécia.